In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video in Veed.io. Once you're happy with your edit and your project is open in the Veed editor, the first thing you'll want to do is get it ready for export. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Done. This is your starting point for saving or exporting your finished video. Go ahead and click on Done. When you do this, a small drop-down panel will appear, showing a preview of your project along with some export options. In this panel, you'll see a selector for video quality. This might show options like standard, high, or a resolution-based label such as 720p or 1080p, depending on what Veed offers at the time. Choose the quality that best matches how you plan to use the video. For example, higher quality is better if you're uploading to YouTube or using it in presentations. But keep in mind that higher quality usually means a larger file size. If you want more control over the technical details, look for the Advanced Settings icon, which appears to the right of the quality selector. Click this to open additional export settings. Here you can adjust things like frame rate, resolution, overall quality, and compression. A higher frame rate can make motion look smoother, while more compression will reduce file size but can also affect visual clarity. Take a moment to balance quality with file size based on where your video will be shared. Once you've dialed in the settings you like, click the back icon to return to the main export panel. In the same area, you may also see an option to burn subtitles into your video. Enabling this will permanently add any subtitles you've created directly onto the video itself, which is useful if you're posting to platforms where subtitle files aren't supported, or if you want to make sure everyone sees them by default. When you're finished choosing your quality, advanced settings, and subtitle preference, it's time to export. Click on the Export Video button. Veed will now start rendering your project. This might take a little time, depending on the length of your video and the settings you chose, so don't worry if you need to wait a bit. Once the rendering is complete and the export page has loaded, you'll see several options for what to do with your finished video. If you want to share it directly from Veed, click the Share icon. From here, you can send your video via email, generate an embed code for websites, or share it to platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can also copy a direct link if you simply want to send someone a URL. If you prefer to keep a local copy on your device, look for the download icon. Click this and you'll see different download formats available. Typically, you can download your project as an MP4 video, as an audio-only file such as an MP3, or as a GIF if your content works well as a short looping animation. Choose the format that best suits your needs and your file will begin downloading. And that's all you need to do. With just a few clicks, you've set your quality, exported your project, and either shared it online or downloaded a copy of your video from Veed.io.